expressed as a single fraction in its simplest form, 4 over 2f minus 3 minus 2 over 3 minus 2f. Now, right off the bat, note that the denominators are just opposites of each other. Okay, so 3 minus 2f, if you remove a negative, you will get negative 3 plus 2f. Why is that so? Because when you multiply back in, right, negative and negative indeed gives you positive 3. Negative and positive indeed gives you, negative 2f, okay? Or you can rearrange this to 2f minus 3. So that's how we can see that this is very similar to this term here. It's just there's a negative sign in front. So how do we do this question? 4 over 2f minus 3 minus 2 over 3 minus 2f. So we have to make sure the denominators, they are same, okay, before we combine them. At the moment, they are very similar, but not exactly the same. But again, how do we change this to look like this? Use the explanation at the top here, okay? Have a look here. So 4 over 2f minus 3 minus 2 over negative 2f minus 3. Okay, so all I'm doing is to change the denominator to this. And negative combines to give you a plus. So 4 over 2f minus 3 plus 2 over 2f minus 3. And now denominators are exactly the same. We add the numerators. So 4 plus 2 is 6 over 2f minus 3. Okay, now there's actually a shortcut method to flip this to this straight away. So I want you to just take note of this box here and this box. The only difference between these two boxes, right, is that I flipped the denominator here. And you see, when you flip the denominator, you have to change the sign to the opposite sign. That's all. That is a shortcut method to flip your denominators. Final answer for this question, 6 over 2f minus 3.